We got a small, cute airplane. Oh God, it's so bad. Camera's so bad.
Bah! It's so small. It's got lights on.
Has its lights on?
But how bad is your camera? Oh my God.
It's bad, okay. I need to get a new phone, but I'm not. I keep my cute phone. Oh, it's getting better. It's getting better. It looks like a black dot. It just exploded. But I was just my camera's focusing.
Yeah, it's still alive.
It exploded.
Can I hear it?
Sure. Guys, see that? Oh! That's 11,000 feet. You're right, the freaking snow. Jesus. Ooh. Oh my God, I didn't expect it to be that loud. Jeez, oh my God.
Okay, end it.
Wait. Oh shoot. Huh? Oh. Thank you. Now, we.